Yes, we've got the car that every man and his dog has got. The Rlaarlo AM-X12. Difference with us is we are going to beat the absolute snot out of it to see how durable it really is.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Does come in this rather nice box, which is very handy for keeping it in storage. And it is presented very, very well. Comes with a very snazzy Dumbo looking radio, which contains all your normal functions: steering trim, steering dual rate, throttle trim, throttle dual rate. Takes 4 AA batteries, or what I really like about it is you can also use a rechargeable LiPo. 800 milliamp hour 2S LiPo and an accessories bag which comes with your tools and lots of spares. Now the car is obviously based, a clone, a copy, whatever you want to call it, on the Wltoys, but that in itself is a clone and a copy of an LC Racing. I actually prefer the look of the Rlaarlo. The body looks better. I've never been a fan of these low slung bodies. Yes, it's Typhon, armour Typhon looking, and everybody seems to be copying everybody these days. Now all that being said, there are a lot of improvements on the Rlaarlo over the Wltoys. To start with, it comes with this very nice carbon chassis. Carbon shock tower at the front and at the rear, and carbon hinge pin holders. Are they improvements? Is it going to be more durable with that carbon on there? Well, we're certainly going to try and find out. Now, some other improvements that I really do like: sway bars, front and rear, adjustable motor mount so you can fit different size pinions, a slipper clutch. One of the big ones for me is the use of hex head screws. I mentioned in a WhatsApp message that I think they should start using the hex head screws. I think really shows that they want to listen to their customers, they want the feedback, and they take action on it. Now, one of the things I will point out, which is going to be changed on the production cars that anyone orders, is this battery position, as it potentially fouls that grub screw on the slipper clutch. Look at the Wltoys, you can see the battery tray is sat far further forward than it is in the Rlaarlo. This battery tray will be pushed forward. Now all these upgrades, improvements, obviously it comes at a premium. I think the price of the car at full price is far too much at $249. However, if you use the link in the description below with the code, you can actually get 20% off of it at the moment if you're interested in this car. Now it's time to get out there, and as I said, we're going to beat the absolute snot out of this car to see how durable it really is. Who have we got driving it today? The destroyer of cars! Yes, this car is getting proper tested. We'll confess we have done one small upgrade to it. I've moved the battery tray forward, so it was sat back there where it could foul the slipper clutch. I've moved it all forward, which is how the production car will come. And just in case anyone does get one which is not had the battery tray moving, see, I just drew lines across and then drilled it 30 centimetres further to the front. Jack, I have put something special in here for you.
Have they?
Beginners are required to assemble the upgraded bumper before driving. Have you done that?
I don't need a bumper.
Beginners are advised to start from a lower speed. Are you going to do that?
No, full speed.
First thing we've got to do is what, Jack?
Speed test.
On how much power?
Full power.
2S, you muppet. How fast?
38.
How fast do you think it's going to go?
I'm going to go 34.
28.
32.
Oh, now no crashing into cars, Jack. Go, 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 go. Race it, quick, 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 race it, go. Oh, you bottled it. 32? Was that flat out?
It's at half power.
Oh, we got a winner.
About half power.
Half power?
Yeah.
Well, you need to get the power down. You're in training mode still. Go, 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 Jack. Go, go, go. Quick, 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 quick. Go, 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 go. Oh, brake, brake. That was way quicker. Oh, I think your 32 might be beaten. 39! Oh, you're about the closest.
Wow, wow.
Now, 3S! Full power? Yeah. Full power, full power! How fast now?
50.
50, no, 46. Yeah, I'm going to go 48.
That's as long as Crash doesn't jack it in a car. As long as Jack doesn't crash it in a car.
Crash doesn't jack it.
We have got the destroyer of cars out with us today, so anything can happen. Oh, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Oh. Is that flat out?
3/4.
It's lively, isn't it?
50!
I was right.
You got 50? No way! 50 miles an hour for a 1/12 scale. That's impressive for a little buggy. Everyone's stunned. They're in silence, look.
In amazement.
Hey!
Amazement ain't fell apart.
Oh, look at him. Poor little boy, he's a bit cold. Needs some more meat on your bones. A time for the destroyers of cars.
Mega send.
2S power to start with. Will it survive?
Yeah.
Let's see what it can do. Oh my life. Oh, got some air there. Again. Oh, slidey, slidey. Not as high, but it's a good height. Actually quite impressive so far. What are you dying to do?
Mega send.
Mega send. Which one? That one. Which one? That one.
That one.
Tell the fans what you want to do.
I want to send it into the trees.
Oh, that into that? No, you're not doing that one. We'll save that for last. We can try. Let's take it off of here, up there, land on the down ramp, and then go.
It's going to be very hard.
Do you want me to do it?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm very sure.
Oh, a bit of a nose landing. I don't think Jack's quite got the idea of landing on this downslope.
I thought I was sending it.
Let me do it. Can't say we're not properly testing this. There's no Callum perfect driving or anything. It is me and Jack, who cannot drive to save our lives, giving this a go. Oh no! Oh, light goes out. Give that back to Jack. He's a better driver than me. Enough of this 2S malarkey. We're going 3S. Oh, it's quite lively on 3S on the drop. Oh, yes. We're going to try and drop it off of this, hit that, and clear that. Oh, my life, it's gone over me. Oh, went over the top of me. Jack's going to try and get up this ramp. Look. Where's he going to get up? Oh, he's cocking his leg. How's he going up? Look at him, look. What's going on here?
Crawling.
I know you're crawling. What's that all about?
It's slippery.
Oh no, he's going to do a drop and go. It's not going to end well, Jack. Oh, there's a nose landing. He cleared it though. If he'd have got that perfect, he could have hit that and then cleared this one. Is the car all right? You can see where it hit there. Looks okay. Survives another day. He wants to go again. Look, he can't help himself. He wants to kill the car, he really does. A little smile on his face. Oh, sure it's okay. Does it drive, Jack? Oh my life. Well, that's nasty. Oh, that was very nasty. Lipo's out. We've popped a drive shaft there. I think that's it. Turnbuckle just pops back in, we get the lipo back in and we get some more sends. He's going to take it all the way down there, hit that, and see how far it goes over there. Well, the problem is with Jack, he ain't that good a driver, so he could hit that box there. We're going to hit that box, Jack.
Steering's a bit iffy.
Jack couldn't steer it, and I've just seen why. The outdrive snapped in half. The destroyer of cars has lived up to his name. Look, we are only free-wheel drive now, but we're going to see if we can get a drop and go out of here, hit that, and clear that button one there. Oh! Do you think I can get a drop and go?
No. Wow.
This is not having any. The road goes straight. It's impossible! What happened?
Could be worse, that's what happened, could be mine.
You turned the camera off, that's what happened.
I turned the camera off and the destroyer of cars came to life again and broke it there. Well, we're not selling that anymore. That's finished and done. Full price $249 is just too much. If you use the voucher code, the coupon code that I'll put in the link in the description below, you can get 20% off, which brings it down to about, what, $199. It is a good buggy. It's not super durable, though it is cold out. I don't know, I'm mixed on it. What do you think, Jack?
I think it's fun to drive and it's fast. I wouldn't pay 249 for it, maybe 199.
So what do we get out now?
X-Max.
We can't do it with the Rlaarlo because Jack killed it. So instead, we send the X-Max all the way out there, hitting that ramp, and if it goes in the tree, you've also got to climb up to get it out.
Okay.
Don't hit that.
I'll
If
do
you
it.
hit that, you pay for the damages.
I'll do a runner.
Oh, look at that smile. Look, smiles for miles. You happy now? Again? Is Jonah going? Oh, he almost took his missus out. Are you trying to kill your missus?
No.
Are you sure? I never like it when Jack says another go. It doesn't normally end well. Oh, I think he pooped his pants then. Look at the face. He definitely pooped his pants. Look how close that was. You can see the tire mark, and he was standing there. I don't think you could get any closer. Have you pooped your pants? Have you got a brown mark there now? I think you skidded them out, haven't you? Is that enough of that now?
Yeah.
Are you done with that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did Terry the Turtle pop out for a little bit?
I think so.